So candida, all fruit diet. Look, find the fruit that agrees with you. That won't give you too much of a flare up. Okay. Remember, when you have the fruit, it causes a flare up because the fruits are stirring up acids. Acids are the root cause of your candida because they affect your adrenal glands, they affect the pancreas, they affect the bowels. It creates a medium to attract candida. Sugar fermentation attracts candida. So we're going to go on all fruit diet. You're going to stay away from fats. You cannot have fats when you're doing a fruit cleanse, like no fatty fruits, no avocados, no coconuts, any kind of fatty fruit to avoid. If you get rid of the fats and you stay on the all fruit diet that you can tolerate, go on antimicrobial formula on my website. Go on the parasite C formula. It's created for parasites. Go on the parasite W formula for worms. Use the kidney formula. Use the adrenal gland formula, very important because of the candida. Adrenal glands, weak adrenals will cause sugar fermentation, will attract candida. Use the Fabulous 5, okay? Give it a little bit of time. Watch how your candida goes away. You will see flare-ups. You will see flare-ups of your candida before it goes away, okay?